This is my M91 6.5 by 5.2 Caracano. I just bought from Classic Firearms. Got it for $219. It was used more than likely in World War I and World War II. A place for the cleaning rod right there. It's got some number stamped there. A place for the strap to go on the back. Very cool. It's got the one on the front. All the pieces are here. Very, very nice little weapon. But it's banged up a little bit. Needs the rust cleaned off of it. If you can see here, I do believe it's made in 1901. You just push it and pull it down. That's pretty cool. $219, not a bad deal.